What's the first step of science? Observation. And then you make a hypothesis, and then you do some tests, some experimentations to figure out if your hypothesis is true. Figuring stuff out, and figuring out that it's true and you can use it to predict the future, that's kind of a technology. So when you see something, and you figure it out, and you create tools to do what you want to do, that's a research technology. You set out to solve a problem, and through trial and error, through studies and tests, you figured it out. Most likely, you and a team. This is a research technology. Now, how do you learn research technology? Sure, you could be the one that goes out and does these experiments and tests. That would make you a researcher. Alternatively, you could learn from a researcher. It sounds a little bit like culture tech. What's the difference? Well, a researcher, somebody who wants to figure something out and then share that knowledge, possibly for profit, possibly so that way the knowledge can become more experimented on and become more refined. They're going to make textbooks, create courses, perhaps become a professor. Their goal is to spread this information as wide as they can to make it commonplace. It's opposite of a culture technology. Not necessarily though, because a researcher might want their audience to be a certain subset of people. Say if you're researching for a company and you want trade secrets, then your audience is going to be a small group of people, kind of like a culture technology. Still, we have a lot of research technology that is shared through textbooks and through curriculum. So you can go to college or to school or find some textbook that teaches what you're trying to learn, whether that's some techniques or some actual physical piece of technology, how it works and how to use it. Hopefully this research technology, in the spirit of it being from an experiment, will provide you with a way to see how it came to be, so you can verify on your own. That's one of the important things about science, is falsification and being able to run parallel tests from other people. So your research technology should sort of make sense in that way. And that's how you learn research technology.